So we've got sticky tape, we've got wire, we need our reference picture. You probably can't hear anything I'm saying either. I'm gonna snap. Oh, God. Who wants to bet this is going to be way too noisy than it's worth? I don't want to crush it because it's going to be loud. So I have an idea. I don't know whether this idea is going to work, and I'm hoping it will replace the need for paper mache, but we'll just see how we go. Couldn't see anything. I've got sticky tape now all along the bottom of my desk. A custom-made Blue-Red's plushie. I mean, Blue-Red's has been asking me to make him a plushie, so it's not too far out there really, is it? I don't know that this is going to work, but we're going to give it a go. I'm hoping with a few layers that this will give it like a spiral kind of texture. See, how cool is that? So now I have to figure out how they're going to stick to my head.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much for making me sing. It's right, just what I want to do right now, because I'm having such a good time. I managed to get them stuck on my head and I can dance by redeem sing mode. Thank you, Blue-Reds. You're so amazing. We'll do a whole cup. Should we do a whole cup? Or is half a cup not going to be enough? We'll just do a whole cup so we don't have to mix it again. Right. It's the best content you're going to get. Oh wait. Is that another World, you silly Aussie short and like toasty? Yes, it is. Apparently, I learned that today. Salt probably to cure it as it stopped going mouldy. That's a good point. I suppose I should probably put that in then. So. Old clumpy paint probably should be thrown out, but we're going to use it because we have it, so. Are you ing at the colour or the consistency of my... I definitely don't have the right brush. Cry.
Yeah. You're the leader anyway, so you'll have to get through. So pick whatever you want. Whatever one you want.
Is that working?
See, because of the delay, I haven't seen. I can't tell you if the camera's in yet. They both appear to be working.
They kind of sag a bit. I want them like up.
Do you reckon it's a frost dragon?
Yeah, it looks like a dragon. Because I think the drakes that come out are the little babies.
I believe it breathes fire, but...
Because,
Cooldowns on these two, they're not that bad. I guess.
So why do you have a tier 4
hopefully
cloak
it's okay.
tier 4 armor when other people didn't have armor?
because
We're
I
shiny
went
and we're
hard
blotchy.
crap out of
That's okay.
silver.
Shiny and blotchy works for the moment. I has clothes on.
well,
Jigs
you
are
are
boobs.
going somewhere. Mike's gonna send you to the bedroom so he can show you his Boom King.
Oh,
Please stop.
No, we got
When with what, Yafair? She predicted you. She predicted you would question her nudity. I said you would ask why I wasn't on stream with you. Called it. Turned on the stream and panicked at nudity.
Adds priority on this, yeah.
Alright, let's see. Is that... Yeah, that's neon-y enough. It's so... She just be here, usually nude on stream. Alright. Ooh, that looks so neon. Yes. So I think I'm gonna add some just like plain yellow to make it look more highlighty just through the middle. I think, once I get all of these colours in.
Get heals in you.
And
Just missed.
okay, I think she's got kind of like highlighty. Yeah? Highlighty lips. Is that pretty? Look at that. Lift the lips. And the reason that I open my mouth isn't just because all girls do it. It's it like pulls down the rest of my face, so it makes it easier. Looks good, jokes aside. Thank you. It's actually turning out better than I thought it was going to, which is good. It's what you want. I need to sharpen that again, 'cause it's poking me in the eye. Yeah. We need eyebrows. So, I hate these so much. Which way do we do them? That way. Ta-da. I hate them. How am I gonna stick them to my head? How? Like, they look ridiculous, don't they? They look ridiculous. Maybe I should just, maybe I should just draw my eyebrows on and just call. You never answered me. You got distracted by John not logging and someone gifting a sub. What was your question? So Emz, when am I being face painted and when am I being face painted as, and what incentives do I have for this? Well, one, it'll be fun. That should be all the incentive you need. Whenever you like, and what? I can have a think. Do you have any suggestions? I don't know. I hadn't really thought past the point of you can just have a face paint. This is cool though. I'm so happy with this. She a what are they called? Demon Hunter. see, and thank you so much for watching, and welcome to all of the new followers, new subscribers. Thank you, and I will see you in the next stream. Bye.